Hello fellas, today we want to open the Wolfbox Super Power Turbofan Megaflow 50. This version is a very strong one. There is another stronger one than this, which is the Megaflow 100, but the price is dramatically different. This one is up for almost 40 bucks in Amazon. You can purchase it, and the other one is almost $90. So that one is much more expensive, but to be quite honest with you, for me, this one is pretty decent and the power is amazing. So let's unbox it. Okay. Not very fancy packaging, very simple with this plasticky type of packages. We've got this instruction paper here, which indicates that where are the buttons and everything. And here we have got a kind of very short user manual here, almost 5 or 10 pages. But working with these turbofans, it's very simple and easy to use. I normally use it for cleaning my lenses, camera gear, and the stuff which I have for photography or videography, but you can use it for your computer, keyboard cleaning, or just to remove the dust from any particular part of your gear. Or sometimes use it to just make the flames and make the charcoal hot. So here in this package, as you see, this is the main part. Let me just remove it for you, which is very simple. Just 2 buttons here and here. This one is for turning it on, and the other part is just to trigger it to work. And here we've got a kind of USB-C connection to recharge the battery inside it. So by pressing and holding this one, it turns on, as you see. And these 3 LED lights, it shows that the level of the power is on 3. If you just press it once, it becomes 2, and one more press, it becomes 1. So this is the weakest, and the 3 is strongest power of this machine. So by pressing this small button here, you can turn it on. It's pretty impressive. The time which I push this one, it turns on, it just pushed my hand back, as you see. And you can see that. And if you just change this one with the other head, 3 more heads here. This one is kind of longer one, easy. You can just attach it to your jet fan here. And this one is more directional, gives a stronger definitely amazing machine to cleaning your stuff. Highly recommend it. There is nothing more interesting in the box, just a USB charger, USB-C charger, which can be used for charging this machine for you. Pretty useful, and plastic but good in hands. Ergonomic is amazing and easy to use. Hope you like this video. I will try to put more unboxes for you later. Bye bye.